Some bad news for the Mavic 3. Let's get into it. Before we do, I want to tell you guys real quick about TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a YouTube SEO tool that'll help you grow your YouTube channel. It's what I've been using to grow this YouTube channel, so definitely make sure to check out my link in the description below. Let's jump into the video, guys. Some bad news about the Mavic 3. So for the past month, the rumor mill has been completely dry when it comes to the Mavic 3, and I'm finally finding something online that is pointing to a delayed release. So there's a lot going on with technology right now. As you guys probably know, there's a worldwide chip shortage, which is making it hard for car manufacturers to produce vehicles. It's making it hard for companies like Apple to produce computers, and it's also making it hard for companies like DJI to produce drones, which is exactly what's going on in this situation. Originally, we were looking at a late August to September release date for the Mavic 3, which is the third birthday for the DJI Mavic 2 Pro and Zoom. DJI was all planned to release the drone around that time frame, as it makes sense because rumors start coming out more and more and more as a release date is around the corner, which is what we really saw in May and June and in the beginning of July. But then the rest of July was crickets, and here in the beginning of August, I'm finally reading an article from Tech Radar that is kind of shedding some light on what is going on. So here's what this source says. According to a Drone DJ source in a post on July 19th, the latest plans are for an October release, but that their source says he has doubt that it will be ready for prime time by then. So it's not looking good, guys. I'm really thinking we probably won't see this thing until either the end of this year or beginning of 2022. According to an apparently reliable source in China, the drone has not even been finalized yet, which suggests it is still being tested and is unlikely to launch anytime soon. So this is some really disappointing news. I know a lot of people were prepared to get this drone like very soon because all the rumors suggested a late August, early September release, or even late September release. But according to this, it's not coming anytime soon. And I kind of agree with that. I don't think DJI is going to come around the corner and surprise us with the Mavic 3. I really think that this is the case and that we're just going to have to wait longer. But in the meantime, there's other great drones that you can buy if you really need a drone now. You don't have to wait another 6 months for the Mavic 3. There's plenty of options out there. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro, they said they stopped production of it in June, but I'd assume there's probably plenty of stock of the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Zoom. There's also the brand new DJI Air 2S, which has been very popular. It shoots 4K at 60 frames per second. Plus, DJI released the Air 2S this year, which has been a huge seller for them. And honestly, I don't see them, trying to ruin those sales with a release of the Mavic 3 this year. I think that just a lot of things, the chip shortage, the release of the Air 2S, just a lot of things are playing into this delay. So I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on because I haven't been able to make a rumors video in a while because I didn't really have any information to go off of. But this is the latest information, and as soon as I hear anything else, I will bring it to you guys right here on Ant's Drone. So make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell, and also hit the thumbs up button because it'll help this video rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.